So hello friend, welcome back to my channel. This is Farhan Khan and you are watching Let's Speak. So speak English speaking nowadays very everywhere. English speaking, learn English speaking just 3 months, learn English speaking just 6 months, learn English speaking just 2 months. Lots of advertisement in YouTube, Google, every intersection of intersection you can watch lots of poster, lots of even student also crazy about that how to speak fluently, but there is no option, because there is only one option. You have to speak more, and after that you can become a improve yourself, then slowly you also become a good speaker. Like me, I'm also not a good speaker, but I want speaking so well, so that's why today I make a video. As you know, I have always uploaded short video, and sentence structure, some vocabulary. Is very beneficial for you if you're watching that kind of videos. Then, so I think why not we make a long video? That's why today I am here to make a long video. You know what? Guys, what happened when we think when you start speaking English? We are forget to smile, we forget to expression, we forget to body movement. We only like that. I want to become Indian. So this it's not happen. If you want to be a good English speaker, and so you have to don't left or don't avoid your emotion. You have to include in emotion. You have to expression in even included expression as well. Like me, I also not, first of all, I clear you. I'm not a teacher, not a trainer. I'm also a student and I also learn how to become a fluent English speaker. So that's why I am here told. Because you also want, I also want. We make together and we learn English. So that's why, first of all, be positive, be like whatever you live before that. No? Doesn't matter. Where you belong, city side, you belong rural area, urban area, doesn't matter. You have to be and you have to be so natural. And another thing, take is that sometimes I don't say you have to take a 4 hour, 5 hour, in a day. Just single 1 hour. If you have a possible, you are if maybe possible, so you have to take 2 hour, morning and one evening. It's very beneficial for you. Like you can see nowadays in many videos are available on YouTube. They belong to very rural family, rural area, but even then they speak so fluently. They speak. But some other I sometime I also watch some video. Then they're they're forgetting expression. They don't do any expression. They only speaking and speaking. Let happen. Every teacher's good. Every platform good. Matter is doesn't matter. It matter is what you want with curiosity. If you feel thirsty, so no one can get you motivated to motivate to you have to go and drink water, because you know you are thirsty, so you have to drink water. If you feel hungry, no one can come here to motivate you that just because of take eat your food. No, you can automatically you go and you go and take your eat your food, whatever. So the simple thing is also the same as thing is up. वैसा ही इंग्लिश के साथ भी है. आप you are you have to hungry for English. You have to thirsty for English language. So don't wait to anyone came to and motivate you. You have you have to do it. You have to do it. You can grab vocabulary. You can grab tenses. You can grab every structures or tenses structure. How to make a sentence. How to make this word. How to say this kind of. You have to do lots of things. Whatever you have to speak, don't need and don't wait to any other who motivate you, then after that you speak. Doesn't matter, you have to speak. Okay, so I will have to upload that long video as also after 1 day or 2 days, because it's very helpful for you. And be like me, learn like me, don't hesitate, don't be shy, because Yeah, some in beginning, if you speak in front of your friend, in front of you in public, they're laughing. Maybe you are not speaking so well because it's it's a starting time, beginning time. So don't don't think about that why they are laughing at you, why they're laughing at you. Doesn't matter. If one day will come, you will speak so fluently that the time they are sent to their children. Please, teach them. Okay, so आई थिंक ज्यादा एक दिन में ज्यादा हजम नहीं होता है। तो टुडे आज के लिए बस इतना ही। वीडियो अच्छी लगे तो लाइक और शेयर करें, और हाँ, आप कहाँ से वीडियो देख रहे हैं कमेंट में जरूर शेयर करें, और किस किस टॉपिक पे और वीडियो चाहिए उसको भी कमेंट में जरूर शेयर करें। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में नेक्स्ट टॉपिक के साथ, तब तक के लिए बाय बाय।